Anyway, I'm just gonna greet Merry Christmas to all of you. I'm just moving on about Paulo Cruzada. Because this Paulo Cruzada is trying to mess me up because I know what he's doing. I'm just gonna greet Merry Christmas to Nanay Ningning, Anna Kirschenberg, my mom's sister, even Kuya F.A. Chan Viray. I'm just gonna greet him Merry Christmas to all of you. And to all my Palestinian friends in TikTok Live, I'm just gonna greet them Merry Christmas. And also to my former CDIFI schoolmates, Buddy Castro, um, um, Crystal Dulce, Jurado, Yvette, Kathleen Canete, JD Binegas, Jens Manaid, even Lawrence Villawan and Jude Goles, even Sam Aranjo. I'm just gonna greet all of you Merry Christmas, even to my Russian friend, Dennis SVO. So, this is a real Christmas celebration, and I know it's a very kind of Christmas celebration to everyone. So, tomorrow it's Christmas Eve, and you see, as today it's midnight now, so it's really Christmas Eve. People are going to the Christmas shopping, even in grocery, even in the morning. I said it's a very Christmas rush, and also a Christmas celebration. I know it's celebrating Christmas. And I know I just greet them Merry Christmas to all of you. Even to Ate Mirasol, even her son, Paulo Siaco, Merry Christmas. Oh, even I greet them Merry Christmas to everyone. I said Merry Christmas. So Merry Christmas to Joseph Maspidas, Jeric Silva, Shania Kiana. Oh, Merry Christmas to all my friends. And even I just greet Merry Christmas to all of you. If Teacher Marisa hates me also, I just gonna greet her Merry Christmas. So, because I just call in the telephone in CDIFI. I said it, oh, it's Christmas celebration. Oh, I just want to greet all of you Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to all of you. You know the word Christmas? Christmas, that is the word Jesus was born in Palestine. Call it Bethlehem in December 25. So, I said it before. I talked with my Palestinian friends. So, because this Kuya Bear, he said that at the time, he said that Jesus was born in Bethlehem called Palestine. So that was he was born in Palestine, Bethlehem. So Jesus, in the word in Arabic, Isa. So Isa is the word Jesus. So it's a celebration of Christmas. As you can see, Christmas is a celebration. And also, most of the Christmas, we have some gifts, we have some toys, we have some etc. It's a celebration of Christmas. And also, I have to greet Ma'am Jessa Fernandez and Sir Calvin Cuevas. Merry Christmas. Oh. And to all my former enemies, even to my friend Luis Cabales, oh, Merry Christmas. And his family also, Merry Christmas to all of you. And also my Christmas message to everyone. Happy holidays. Oh, my Christmas message to you, Paulo Cruzada. If you're threatening us, if you don't want to be threatening us, Paulo Cruzada, you have to stop with your foolishness. Because I talked to your dad. You have to stop. I don't want to fight with you, Paulo Cruzada, because I am done to fight with you. Because I've done fight back against you, Paulo Cruzada. And I say to you, deactivate your Facebook account. You have to celebrate Christmas celebration, Paulo Cruzada. I'm not picking up a fight. Because you know, Paulo Cruzada, you are a special child. You should have picked up a fight. If you want to be a normal, you have to stop defending Israel and European Union that they attack Palestine. If you want to be normal, you should support Palestine, Paulo Cruzada. You have to support the Bethlehem. You have to trust Jesus. I say to you, Paulo Cruzada, if you don't stop, you will get in trouble, Paulo Cruzada. This is my warning to you. I said, this is my Christmas message. Okay, let's move on about that asshole Paulo Cruzada. So, Merry Christmas to all of you.